Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 high-resolution oscilloscope. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Siglent High Resolution Digital Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, Siglent. DIY supplies, electrical. Storage depth, 240-bit. Input resistance, 1 M. ADC precision, 8 bits. Coupling mode, AC, DC. Trigger mode, single, normal, auto. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is Oscilloscope DDS Signal Generator. Specifications. Brand name, Hold Peak. Model number, T7-1014D. Display resolution, 800 by 480 pixels. DIY supplies, electrical. Digital channels, 2. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Owen XDS2102A. Specifications. Brand name, Owen. Model number, XDS2102A. Battery demountable, no. Max waveform capture rate, 50,000 WFM/s. Record length, 20 m. Real-time sampling rate, 1 GSA/s. Display resolution, 800 by 600 pixels. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 MHz. Digital channels, 2+1. Display size, 8 inches. Vertical resolution, 12-bit. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Siglent High Definition Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, Siglent. DIY supplies, electrical. Background noise, as low as 70 UVRMS at 200 MHz full bandwidth. Sampling rate, 2 GSA/s, single channel mode. Vertical resolution, 12-bit, Aries mode 15-bit. Enhanced resolution, 3-bit. Digital channel, 16 channels, optional. Frequency meter, 7 digits. FFT, 2 MPTS. Serial triggering and decoding, standard configuration, IC, SPI, UART, CAN, LIN. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have FNRC 1013D Digital Storage Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, FNRC. Model, FNRC 1013D. Real-time sampling rate, 1 GSA/s. Display size, 7 inches and above. Display resolution, 800 by 480 pixels. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Type, digital tablet oscilloscope. Horizontal time base range, 50S, DIV 10NS. Maximum test voltage, 40V, 1X probe, 400V, 10X probe. Storage depth, 240-bit. Input resistance, 1 M. ADC precision, 8 bits.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.